In this episode of Aviation This Week, aviation workers protest on Parliament Hill. Then Airbus delivers the first U.S.-assembled A220, and Loyal Wingman completes taxi test. Aviation workers on October 20th held a rally on Parliament Hill in Ottawa to demand action from the Government of Canada, asking for concrete measures such as rapid testing for the safe operation of airports, as well as a direct support package. On October 23rd, the Globe and Mail reported that the federal cabinet is deliberating a targeted bailout package for Canada's airline industry that may include low-interest loans and rollbacks of airport fee increases. Citing a government official and 3 industry sources, the Globe reports the package of options could come in the government's November economic statement or the next federal budget expected in February or March. The group that rallied in Ottawa, called Aviation Workers Made Redundant in Canada by the COVID-19 Crisis, was started in early September by airline pilots through a Facebook group. It had 9,000 members join within 5 days, and by the end of this week had more than 12,000 members. Airbus on October 22nd announced it has delivered its first U.S.-assembled A220 aircraft from Mobile, Alabama, to Delta Airlines. The company broke ground on the Mobile A220 final assembly line in January 2019, with the official start of production in August 2019, followed by the first flight of that Delta A220 in June. To date, approximately 400 U.S. employees have been trained on A220 production, including some in Mirabel, Quebec, where the A220 program and primary final assembly line are located. Delta Airlines is currently the largest A220 customer, with a total of 95 A220 aircraft on order, and will be the first A220 operator in the Americas to be operating both A220-100 and A220-300 aircraft types. As of the end of September 2020, 123 A220s have been delivered to 7 operators around the world. Boeing on October 22nd announced the Loyal Wingman reached a major development milestone by moving under its own power for the first time. With first flight expected by the end of this year, the Loyal Wingman is being developed with the Royal Australian Air Force and achieved power on in mid-September. The unmanned aircraft's low-speed taxi test reached a maximum speed of 14 knots, approximately 16 miles per hour or 26 kilometers per hour. The aircraft demonstrated steering, braking, and engine control while in motion. 3 Loyal Wingman prototypes will form a foundation for the air power teaming system that Boeing will offer to customers worldwide, including Five Eyes partners. The 11.7-meter-long aircraft was unveiled in February 2019 and is expected to have a range of 2,000 nautical miles.